The tech industry is changing fast. If you want to stay relevant, you need to master the right programming languages. In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 programming languages that are set to dominate 2025, so you can make the right choice for your career. Let's jump right in. 1. Python. Python is everywhere, from data science to AI, web development, and automation. It's the first choice for beginners and a powerhouse for experts. Libraries like TensorFlow for AI, Django for web apps, and Pandas for data analysis are industry standards. Major companies like Google, Netflix, and Spotify depend on Python to handle massive amounts of data efficiently. Future scope. Python is expanding into machine learning ops, ML ops, AI-based automation, and even quantum computing research. Quick insight. Over 70% of data scientists and machine learning experts use Python daily. Real-world example, Instagram built its entire backend using Python's Django framework to scale for billions of users. NASA uses Python for space equipment and simulations, leveraging its simplicity and reliability. 2. JavaScript. JavaScript is the foundation of interactive web applications. If you can click it, drag it, or watch it live update on your screen, JavaScript is running behind the scenes. With React, Angular, and Vue, developers can build lightning-fast web apps. On the server side, Node.js handles back-end operations, making JavaScript a full-stack language. Future scope. JavaScript will dominate Web 3.0, decentralized apps dApps, and even virtual reality VR web platforms. Quick fact. Over 97% of websites worldwide run on JavaScript. Real-world example, PayPal migrated its entire application to JavaScript using Node.js, cutting page load times by 35%. Netflix optimized its user interface using React, allowing for smoother streaming experiences. 3. Rust. Rust is the rising star of systems programming. Known for its memory safety and speed, it's replacing C++ in many high-performance projects. Rust prevents common bugs at compile time, saving massive debugging efforts. Future scope. Expected to lead in game development, embedded systems, and blockchain technology due to its efficiency. Did you know? Rust has been voted the most loved language for 7 consecutive years in Stack Overflow surveys. Real-world example. Discord rewrote its chat service in Rust, resulting in a dramatic speed increase and lower memory consumption. Amazon Web Services, AWS, uses Rust for its performance-critical infrastructure. 4. Golang. Go, developed by Google, is designed for simplicity and speed. It's perfect for cloud applications, microservices, and distributed systems. Its concurrency model allows for multiple processes to run smoothly, making it ideal for large-scale applications. Future scope. Go will continue to dominate cloud computing, DevOps, and serverless applications. Quick insight. Go is the backbone of technologies like Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform. Real-world example. YouTube optimized its video delivery service with Go, handling billions of views daily with low latency. Dropbox migrated from Python to Go for faster file synchronization. 5. TypeScript. TypeScript is the polished, more structured version of JavaScript. It's growing rapidly because it catches errors during development, saving developers from runtime issues. Its static typing makes large projects more maintainable and less buggy. Future scope. As applications become more complex, TypeScript will be indispensable for front-end and even back-end systems. Did you know? TypeScript is the fastest-growing language on GitHub for the past 3 years. Real-world example. Microsoft Teams, built entirely on TypeScript for better scalability and fewer bugs. Slack uses TypeScript for smooth cross-platform communication. That's a wrap. These 5 languages are shaping the future of technology in 2025 and beyond. Whether you want to build robust web applications, dive into AI, or scale massive cloud systems, mastering these languages is your key to unlocking opportunities. So, which one are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments.